This is Velvet and Clemens. Velvet and Clemens are fighting for the most comfortable seat along the ride. This is a epic battle. Get him, Velvet.
Yeah, absolutely. I barely have any stuff. It's nuts. Like all of everything that I own, literally in my life, is in her Honda Civic. So it's pretty nice. I have like 2 suitcases, 2 gym bags.
This is how we're gonna make money along the road, along the way. We're gonna do some dog fights.
Some dog fights.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Velvet, drop the elbow. People's elbow, Velvet. She's like, I don't have elbows.
She's like, I read an article the other day
She
that
is.
smelling food is good.
Well, but the thing is, she's down that. And like, if Clemens does, she'll probably do it.
Who's my girl?